Fire pump set. Welcome to our course on fire pump sets. In this session, we will explore the essential role these pump sets play in fire protection systems. Fire pump sets are critical for delivering adequate water pressure and flow to combat fires effectively. Let's dive into the details of how these systems function and their importance in firefighting. Introduction to fire pump sets. A fire pump set is essential equipment that delivers adequate water pressure and flow to firefighting systems. It typically consists of a pump, engine, and controller for effective operation. Designed to draw water from various sources, such as municipal supplies or reservoirs, these pump sets ensure preparedness during emergencies. Significance of reliable water supply in firefighting. A consistent and adequate water supply is essential for maintaining pressure and flow rate in firefighting systems. Regulatory compliance often mandates sufficient water supply for fire protection systems. Inadequate supply can lead to significant property damage and jeopardize safety during emergencies. Different types of fire pump sets. Fire pump sets are categorized based on their operation and application, including electric, diesel, jockey, and trailer-mounted types. Each type is tailored for specific environments, ensuring optimal performance during emergencies. Understanding these types helps in selecting the right pump set for particular firefighting needs. Electric fire pump sets, features and applications. Electric fire pump sets utilize an electric motor as the driving force for operation. They are commonly used in buildings with reliable electric power sources and offer continuous operation, typically being more efficient in urban settings. Their reliability is crucial for effective fire protection. Diesel fire pump sets, advantages and use cases. Diesel fire pump sets are powered by a diesel engine, making them suitable for areas with unreliable electricity. They provide self-sufficiency during power outages, ensuring firefighting capabilities remain intact. Often preferred in remote locations, these pump sets are essential when electrical infrastructure is lacking. Jockey pump sets, function and importance. Jockey pump sets serve as smaller pumps that maintain pressure in the fire protection system when the main pump is off. They prevent pressure drops that could lead to system inefficiencies or malfunctions, ensuring the fire protection system is always ready for action. Trailer-mounted fire pump sets, overview and benefits. Trailer-mounted fire pump sets are designed for portability, allowing them to be easily transported to various locations. They are ideal for firefighting in remote areas or during large outdoor events, providing flexibility and rapid response capabilities for emergency situations. Key components of a fire pump set. Main components of a fire pump set include the pump, engine, controller, water source, suction and discharge piping, pressure relief valve, gauges, and control panel. Each component plays a crucial role in the overall functionality and reliability of the fire pump set, ensuring effective firefighting operations. The pump, functionality and types. The pump is the critical component that generates the necessary water flow and pressure. Types include centrifugal and positive displacement pumps, depending on the application. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the pump. Engine, role and specifications. The engine serves as the power source for the pump and can be either electric or diesel. The selection depends on the operational environment and reliability of the energy source. Proper engine maintenance is vital for ensuring consistent power delivery to the pump. Controller, importance and features. The controller monitors and manages the pump's operation, ensuring it runs efficiently. It can automatically start or stop the pump based on system pressure and flow conditions. A well-functioning controller is essential for the reliability of the fire pump set. Water source considerations. The source from which the fire pump set draws water can be municipal supply, a reservoir, or storage tanks. The reliability and quality of the water source directly impact the system's effectiveness. Adequate water supply is crucial for maintaining pressure and flow rate during firefighting. Suction and discharge piping, design and function. Suction piping connects the pump to the water source, allowing water to flow into the pump. Discharge piping carries water under pressure from the pump to the fire protection system. Proper sizing and installation are critical for ensuring efficient water flow. Pressure relief valve, purpose and operation. A pressure relief valve is a safety device that prevents excess pressure from damaging the pump or system. It automatically releases pressure when it exceeds safe limits, protecting system components. Regular checks are necessary to ensure the valve functions properly. Pressure gauges, importance in monitoring. Pressure gauges are instruments used to monitor the pressure and flow rate of water within the system. They provide critical data for operators to assess system performance and make adjustments as needed. Regular calibration ensures accuracy and reliability in readings. Control panel, overview and functionality. The control panel houses the controller and other electrical components of the fire pump set. It allows operators to monitor and control the system's operation easily. Proper placement is important for accessibility during maintenance and operation. Ensuring compliance with industry standards. Adhering to standards set by NFPA 20, IBC, OSHA, UL, EPA, and local fire codes is crucial. Compliance ensures the safety and reliability of fire pump installations. Regular audits may be necessary to maintain compliance with evolving regulations. Design considerations for specific applications. Fire pump sets can be tailored for various applications, including high-rise buildings and industrial sites. Design considerations must align with specific risks and operational needs. Custom designs enhance effectiveness and operational readiness in diverse environments. Criteria for selecting fire pumps. When selecting fire pumps, consider flow rate, pressure rating, NPSH requirements, and efficiency. Ensure the pump material is suitable for the water source's characteristics and align the pump type with the specific needs of the firefighting system. Engine selection guidelines for fire pump sets. Evaluate power rating, fuel type, and starting methods based on operational needs. Consider noise levels and emissions to comply with local regulations. Ensure the engine's reliability and compliance with applicable standards for effective operation. Choosing the right controller for fire pumps. Choose between manual and automatic controllers based on system requirements. Ensure the control panel location is accessible for maintenance, and compatibility with other system components is essential for seamless operation. Installation steps for fire pump sets. Proper site preparation is crucial for effective installation of the fire pump set. Connections to water supply and electrical systems must meet regulatory standards. After installation, thorough testing and commissioning are necessary to validate performance. Troubleshooting common fire pump issues. Common issues include no water flow, low pressure, overheating, electrical problems, and leakages. Each issue requires specific checks and diagnostics to identify and resolve the problem. Regular maintenance can help prevent many common issues from arising. Addressing no water flow problems. Check the suction valve for proper operation and ensure the supply tank has enough water. Inspect the strainer and suction piping for blockages that may hinder water flow. Verify the impeller and drive coupling for damage or misalignment affecting performance. Resolving low water pressure issues. Inspect discharge piping for any clogs or restrictions that may reduce flow. Check the pressure switch and relief valve to ensure they are functioning correctly. Monitor the motor speed to confirm it is running at the appropriate RPM. Managing overheating concerns. Ensure adequate ventilation in the pump room to prevent overheating. Check the cooling system for blockages or leaks that could impair function. Monitor oil levels and pressure to ensure the engine operates within safe limits. Identifying electrical issues in fire pumps. Inspect the power supply and wiring for damage or loose connections. Check the controller and control panel for any signs of malfunction. Test the motor and starter for proper operation to ensure reliable performance. Dealing with leakages in pump systems. Inspect gaskets and seals for wear or damage that could cause leaks. Check piping connections for tightness and integrity to prevent water loss. Examine the impeller and pump casing for cracks or defects that may lead to leakage. Conclusion and key insights. Fire pump sets are critical for effective fire protection in various building types. Regular maintenance and testing are essential for ensuring readiness in emergencies. Proper design and operation can save lives and minimize damage during a fire. Thank you. Thank you for participating in this course on fire pump sets. I hope you found the information valuable for understanding fire protection systems. Our next class will focus on the fire pump room, where we will explore further essential concepts in fire safety. We look forward to seeing you there.